What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Great to have you. For those that are new, this is my journey, my trip, my adventure to the 2026 Hot Rod Power Tour and building my 305, keeping it naturally aspirated, trying to get to 400 horsepower with 400 pounds of torque. And where I'm at right now, just a quick little update on the build. I have determined that 100% sending it out to a machine shop. I originally thought they'd be hot tanking it, but after doing a little bit more research on it, the particular shop I selected, they actually bake the block, then put it in another machine where I guess the best way to describe it is it gets exfoliated. It's like a motor spa, and there's these fine metal bits that go through all the passages, clean it all out. Gonna freshen it up, redo the piston rings, do all the bearings inside, because if I'm going through all this trouble to do all this work and to try to maximize this thing, might as well just do it right? So that's the plan there. I've actually removed the heads off of it already. I'll be posting that video up shortly. But just kind of wanted to give a quick little update, kind of where I'm at in the build. And then also, I haven't talked about this yet, I am going to be upgrading the ECU. I'm not going to, originally I was intending on just getting a new chip flashed, but the more and more I thought about it, I think it's really time we push this vehicle into the 21st century, and we're going to go with a FiTech ultimate TPI EFI system, which is really cool. I'm super excited to get that thing in there. It's self-learning, and then it also has 3 additional tune savings. So like I can have 3 other tunes on top of the base tune in that self-learning system. So that should be real exciting to get that in there. The plan is ultimately to have a drag tune, an autocross tune, and a valet tune along with the bass tune. So I don't know if I can say tune in too many more ways in one sentence, but fuck it, tune. Also, I'm still trying to figure out what cam to go with. I am really hung up. I got 3 finalists at this point. First one being TPIS, the ZZ409. A little bit about that cam. It is a single pattern cam, 226 and 520 lift. The other one is and I've mentioned it before, the XR276 HR12 from Comp Cams. The numbers on that are 224 and 230, and advised at 0.50 is 276, 281. And then the lift is 503 and 510. And then we got someone showing up late to the party, Iski. It's the 272, 282 cam. So 272, 282 cam from Iski. Those numbers look like 225 to 234, 272 to 282, and then 505 and 530. Now, my intention is to run 1.6 rockers, so that's going to increase the lift a little bit more, get a little bit more out of that cam. And with this setup, with the first performance TPI intake, along with the Trick Flow Super 23 heads, I think this thing can breathe pretty well. So I want to try to maximize that. So I'm really down to those 3. If I had to say, the front runner would probably be the ZZ409. But I don't know what's going on with TPIS. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with TPIS. I don't know. It sounds like they got a new facility and took some time off for family and stuff, which, hey, man, God bless you. Got to do it. But hopefully they'll be opening it up soon. If anybody has any firsthand knowledge, I'd love to hear or get a little bit of an update of when they may be back up and running. Because I would say what's stopping me from moving forward right now is when they're going to be up and running. That I don't know. So yeah, that's kind of the update on what's going on. I'm excited. Hope you guys are enjoying this build. I appreciate some of the feedback. Nick, Your feedback the other day about the intake manifold material, for those that watched it, it does seem, I haven't had it like, it's not like I sent it out to a fucking detective or anything, but it sounds like it's some gasket material. That's what a number of people have told me. So that was definitely a little bit more reassuring that it's nothing major. But I'll be taking the bottom half, getting taking out the cam and the crank and the pistons, getting that ready to go to the shop. I'll have that video up soon and keep things rolling. So until next time, be safe. Talk to you soon.